Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. We are at the chapter of file handling and today we will understand fseek function provided by file handling. So fseek function is used to set the file pointer to the specified offset. It is used to write data into the file at desired location. That means suppose there are three constants used in fseek, like suppose at the fourth position would you like to write something, then you can use a fseek function. So I'll start with hash include header file. So hash include stdio.h. I have made one text editor file or notepad file named as abc, which I'm going to use in my file operations. So I'm starting with void main, and then in void main I'm going to write down file fp. So you have to use a keyword file with fp. You can give any name of your choice. I'm going to open this fp by using fopen and same file which I want to open, so that's my text editor file abc.txt file, and in a writing mode. So comma I'm using w plus. First of all, here also you have to quote like this and then a semicolon. After that I'm going to write down something in that file, so I'm putting fputc, not a single character. I want to write down a string, so I'll use fputs, and I'm going to write down this is program. So here I have written this is program, and now I'm going to use comma and fp. So whatever I have written, that has to be printed in my file. And then what I'll do is I'm closing this by using fclose. First of all, we will see if it is running or not. Before that, we'll save the file as seek.c, and then I'll build this file. So here is the semicolon. I'll build this file and I'll run this file. Here you will not get anything. We have to open the same file which path we have given. So I'll open the file. So as you can see, this is program. Okay, so it is being printed as we wanted. So I'm going to close this file. Now I'll make a changes by using fseek function, that is today's program's function. So I'm using fseek, and what I want to do is in fp file at the 7th position I would like to write this is Tuesday. Suppose you can write anything at you if you want, and what I'm writing seek underscore set. So this constant I am using, and then I am using fput s at the 7th position. Not here. I would like to write down this. I'm just putting this because it's a string, that's why I'm not inline. I'm not writing that. I'm putting Tuesday, and here comma fp. So from 7th position, that is 1 2 3 4 7th position, at 7th position I have to write down this Tuesday, and then colon. I'm going to build the file and I'm going to run it again. So here again I'll open my abc text file and let's see what changes is there. So as you can see, at the 7th position it has taken Tuesday, and last one program's last character, it's as it is. So inside that I have written whatever content I want to change by using a seek function. So instead of Tuesday, let's try something like my Tuesday, and I'm going to run and build it again, and using the abc file opening again. So here you can see this is my Tuesday is being printed on the same file abc file by using a seek function. So by using a seek function, you can set the pointer to a specified offset which can be used to write and read data into the desired location. Whatever change you want to do the same at the content of that file. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.